leur roi. Hop, allez.
Oula, il s'est fait mal. Mais
Don't have theme.
Jimmy Neutron, he's a spy. He's a kid and his hair is really high. He's got a friend named Carl, who is really cool, and a friend named Shin, who is held back in school. Looking out a dirty old window, down below the cars in the city go rushing by. I sit here alone and I wonder why.
Well, congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
I will see you back here in 1 month. It's going to be awesome to see you. Thanks for watching, guys. We're going to be back with the next match coming up soon. We're going to go to a quick break, but keep watching. We've had some fantastic games already.